My workbench was the cleanest it's been in like half a decade. Somehow I've acquired all these jigsaws, more than any one person should have for any reason. But let's go ahead and see if I can do a quick comparison of these, get some information that may be useful. Yeah, so I'll just do some basic comparisons on cardboard, weight, length, cut time through just a 1x4 standard pine. We've got the Black & Decker, which I've had for a really long time. It owes me nothing. It's been a good jigsaw. The plates, I'm sure, bent up from being dropped, but it still works fine. Blue Ryobi, picked up getting a battery, and the guy just threw that in. So let's test it out, see how it does. Standard green Ryobi, and then kind of the latest brushless 1+ HP option there. I'll try and run them. All the batteries will be fully charged, kind of with a battery that makes sense with it. And then maybe we'll step up the batteries and see what we get. I've also got some couple different bits here. So a Bosch clean wood bit. This is what I use most of the time. I think they're pretty good. I've also got more of a standard bit that's going to have a little bit more tear out, but probably faster. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, Old Blue could use some help, so let's give it a much bigger battery than it was ever intended for and hope it doesn't start a fire. It should be fine. I'll test it in the other ones as well, just to see what kind of time we can pick up with this clean cut bit. This other bit, it works, it goes a little faster, but it creates so much tear out, it's almost hard to get a good test because it gets caught in the lips of the jigsaw plate. So just something to keep in mind. Okay, so I've got some data here and some bar charts. Black & Decker, it's pretty good. It comes in pretty lightweight. I think it was about 4 pounds, 8 ounces without the cord, and pretty short. 8.2 seconds on the 1x4 cut time. When you go to Old Blue, 5 pounds, so pretty heavy. 9.5 inches, which is pretty good. 16.6 seconds with the old battery. But then when you strap the 6 amp hour to it, it went all the way down to 5.9, which is really impressed. I was surprised. That was a pretty clean run. Then we get over here to comparing the two Ryobis. So the standard green is a little heavier, a little longer, and then the cut time with the basic batteries, pretty much the same. The brushless was a little slower, but then when I strapped that bigger battery to it, and I got a couple clean runs to get that 3.2, but some benefit there. So, I mean, I guess big improvement here, and even here, I guess, relative to the 8 and 16, right? So these things will go as fast as you want to push it. There's not much pushing, it's just going. So pretty big improvement in these tools. You know, I wish they were lighter weight and smaller. The Black & Decker still does feel good in the hand. Maybe that's just what I'm used to.